unboxing the Google Pixel 7a, your next tech companion. Hello guys, today we have got something special for you, the Google Pixel 7a, and explore what the Google has to offer and exciting visuals of the Google Pixel 7a in different colors, especially in the white color. I'm going to it's known as the snow, and I'm going to unbox it right now. There we go. This is the Pixel 7a, engineered by Google. Is designed to perform seamlessly with the Google Tensor G2 chip, an amazing pixel camera, and top-notch security features. It's a true standout device in the smartphone arena. It boasts a 6.1-inch screen with a vibrant screen resolution of 2400 pixels. Size inches, with a 64 megapixel rear back camera and a 13 megapixel front camera. Your photos and videos are set to impress. Plus, it's equipped with 5G connectivity for blazing fast speeds, and the phone showing the phone from different angles. It's a top touch of elegance, but also complements the device water resistant feature. It's a stunner in terms of design and durability. And coming to the security features, it's your data secure with a facial recognition and a fingerprint scanner. Google takes your privacy seriously, and device is no exception. And wireless charging and fast charging support ensure you stay powered throughout the day. The Pixel 7 is not just a smartphone; it's a companion. Here's a bonus: the Pixel 7a comes with stylus. No, it doesn't come with a stylus. Whether you're taking notes or getting you can use it. And the deal breaker is that the Pixel 7 is available at the market price of 42,999, and in Flipkart is almost giving it for around 34,000 something. So there you have it, the Google Pixel 7a. What are your thoughts on about this? Techma, show me what you're up to and share in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. This is Adul signing off. Until next time, thank you.